Hello, Tony Bear. Welcome back. I was recording AJ from the Backstreet Boys with the blonde hair. I guess he changed his hair to blonde hair. He was getting a ticket by the LAX airport police for smoking in a no smoking area. So something was wrong with my camera, and I lost the footage. So I called up the LAX airport police. They told me to go online and do a public request record, and I did that for about 3.5 weeks. We were back and forth. And then they told me I was denied. I would have to get a court order or a subpoena. I always share my footage throughout the years with the police. Even on the scene, I let them have the video. So for me to get denied for it's our videos, it belongs to the public. To get denied is ridiculous. Every time they want a video, I'm right there for them. So they want me to get a lawyer and spend money to get a court order. That's ridiculous, man. This is one of the videos they needed really bad, and I gave it to them. Tony Rivera TV News update on the LAX airport police officer from the crisis intervention team. There was a man going around attacking passengers, and they had a hard time getting the suspect in the police car. And once they had him in the police car, they had to tie him down, and he spit the cop's face. And the cop got out of the police car and lost control, and the sergeant held the cop back. The cop was facing losing his job, but he also had surgery on his arm. That put a screw in his arm over that incident. So, and the guy is still in jail. He got some charges on him. But I'm really happy he's back, the LAX airport police officer. Good man. He's fair, but he's firm. But I felt he was human, and everybody has the right to get mad over something like that. And the great job done by the sergeant holding the man back. He could have hit the guy in the police car if he was that mad, but he didn't. He got out of the police car and started screaming and yelling, and the sergeant held him back. So I'm really glad he's back. I've known him for years. He's always been fair but firm. And the district attorney finally did something. The man has to face the charges that he's going to have, because normally the DA is soft on crime and lets out criminals. So I'm really proud that this cop is back at LAX. Good cop.
Oh, wait.
Whoever denied my request at the record department from LAX Airport Police, you're totally wrong. You're going to deny me on a small video of a celebrity getting a ticket for smoking? Can you imagine if I got a murder or something? So what are you guys trying to hide? It's like, come on, hello. It's wrong. It's wrong. So anyone have any advice that I can take without spending money to get a lawyer, to get a subpoena or court order? Because I'm going to get this footage. But the next time you guys need my footage, guess what? I'm not giving it up. And it's wrong, man. For years, you guys needed my footage before your body cams came along. Now, when I need a little favor, I do it the right way, and you guys denied me. Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable.